Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 BMW X6 maintenance light reset. Now go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, we're going to be using that screen, and we're going to be looking, we're going to be using this button right here and looking at that screen right there. You're going to be pressing this button and 3 times and hold it on the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3. Give it about 10 seconds. That will pop up. Now let go. Now press until you go find your engine oil, and then when you get here, press and hold. Let go. Reset. Yes. Press and hold. There it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.